Planning to move into a beautiful new home by the end of the year, Epcon Communities has you covered because they're ready to welcome you home without the wait. Joining us now is the VP of Sales, Miss Nanette Pfister. It's always a pleasure to see you.
Always great to see you, Cameron.
So tell us where we are right now because we kind of had a last minute switch.
We did. We were going to be in Delaware County at our community, sold that home last week, and decided to come to Grove City at the Courtyards at Beulah. So we're down in Grove City at Beulah Park, and actually when we decided to come here on Thursday, we had 3 homes available here. We sold 2 over the weekend, so this is our remaining opportunity here in this amazing community.
Oh my goodness,
Yeah.
and that really is a testament to how popular Epcon communities are. Why is it, in your opinion, that so many people are drawn to move here?
Well, I think there's a couple of things. One, this is all we do. So we understand low maintenance, step-free living, and we do it better than anybody else. And it's not bragging when you have over 50% of the market in Columbus is us. So I think that's it. Our outdoor courtyards are pretty amazing, our private courtyards, and then we have the whole community feel around that. So I think that's main reasons why people come.
Tell us a little bit about this floor plan specifically, because every time I walk in, this is one of my favorites.
Yeah. We're in the promenade,
okay.
And so it's 2 bedrooms and a den. And one of the great things is the bedrooms are separated. All the space is integrated, so your kitchen is open to your great room, and you can see straight outdoors. And then your owner suite is set in the back of the home privately, and has a sitting room off of it. Huge owner's bath. It's really a beautiful home.
And as one to always plan for the holidays, I already found a corner that's perfect for a Christmas tree, which is right around the corner.
It's right here, and you can do multiple Christmas trees in this home.
And what's great is you can get people in before Christmas.
Yes.
How do your quick move-ins work?
So this is a quick move-in home. They're ready, as you see them. We've had them all curated by our in-house design team. And we have special financing rates. So you just see one of our sales consultants. They'll help you find the perfect quick move-in home for you, and we'll get everything going, and you'll be in to celebrate Christmas.
And talk about that. You mentioned great financing rates right now. What else can people expect as far as signing up, coming out here, and going through that process?
Yeah. So we have some great rate buy-downs for our homes that can move in this year, and we have some other specials on them as well. And really, they need to see one of our sales consultants at one of our communities. Tell them that they're interested, or grab their realtor, have their realtor bring them on in, and we'll take it from there. We want to make it easy.
Right, and Grove City is a great area, but maybe if people are on the other side of town, you do have communities all over Central Ohio.
We do, and I'll tell you, so we're in Grove City, so we're southwest. We have, if you want to go east, we have a beautiful community in Granville, and we have 2 opportunities available left in Granville. We have some in the Hilliard area. We have a new community up in that Dublin, it's Jerome Village, Dublin, Plain City area. So we have an opportunity there with a home they could be in by Christmas. So we have several throughout the area. We also have another community here in Grove City, and we have 2 homes available there.
Fantastic. So for people watching, again, timing is of the essence because they're going fast. What's the first step they need to take? How can they find out more information?
You can go to our website, Epcon Columbus or epconcommunities.com. Either one will get you there. And check out our neighborhood. Our online sales counselor, Aja, is happy to help you and get you set to come and meet with one of our on-site sales counselors.
Fantastic. Nanette, thank you so much.
It's a pleasure.
Happy early holidays to you.
Same to you.
And you know what? You better hurry up quick because I've already spotted, I got a Christmas tree that's going to go over there. I'm going to put another one in this corner. You better get this one faster or I'm going to take it.